Hey guys, JC here again with my fridge, my G fridge that I hate so much. I woke up this morning, it was hot again, so this time around both the bottom freezer and the fridge both were hot. So as you can see, I quickly got to work and opened up the access to the evap, and it was totally frozen up. So what I found so far is this little guy here. Looks like there was some water ingress, and it popped out. The sealant popped out, and one of the two wire broke free, so it's not making contact, so the heating element is not working anymore. So this thing totally froze up, so no air going through it, cooling the air and making the fridge what it's supposed to be, a fridge, and the freezer an actual freezer. So what I'm gonna try to do is break this thing up and resolder that wire that popped out of its place, and see if it will work again, see if the heating element will work again. Let's try that. Otherwise, I already bought a new one. I just need to make this one work for about a month till the new one comes in, and we'll see if I'm able to make this work. Oh, well, that wasn't too bad. I'm done with removing the filler. It wasn't actually an epoxy. It looked more like some sort of hot glue type of things, of filler. So I'll go get my soldering iron. I'll see if I can get that heater working again. So now that it's soldered back and seems to be everything seems to be electrically sound, I'll fill it up with hot glue, and we'll test afterwards. We'll test the fridge and make sure that everything is back to work in order, and we'll be able to keep on using the fridge till we the new one gets in about a month. And so let's get to filling this thing up with hot glue.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
So there you go, job is mostly done. I have to put the covers back on, but for the most part the electrical is done. So you can see wires are back where they belong, connector is hooked up, the heating element is tucked back into its place. So yeah, let's put the covers back on and plug the fridge back into its socket, and everything should fire back up and should cool back down, and nothing should freeze this time around. Let's see what happens, shall we?
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
As you can see, everything's back in place, so I'll go and plug it back up, and everything should be back in working order. I should have my fridge and freezer working again, and this time around it should work till I get the new one. Everything else was fine, it's just that wire that came undone. There you have it, folks. I still totally hate that fridge, because I was supposed to be working on video cards today and having fun with the family. Instead, I just spent my entire afternoon working on that fridge again. So please don't get one of these. Even if it's given to you, don't get it. They're not worth your time, your effort, your money, however you want to put it. And I'm really hoping that I'm gonna have better luck with the new one that I got. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do with this video, but hope you've enjoyed it. Okay, take care, folks. Bye-bye.